Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course guys, today I'm going to show you on the iPhone, and this can apply to the iPhone 11. As you're seeing here, this is iPhone 11, and of course it still applies to just about any iPhone that you might encounter. And I'm going to show you to install two WhatsApps on the same device. Now if you look over here guys, you'll see that I already have the WhatsApp application, and WhatsApp is right here, and this is the first install. So as you can see here, and this is the first install on my normal version. Now you can simply just go ahead and go into the store, which is the App Store, and download WhatsApp as normal. So I'm assuming you already have one version of WhatsApp installed, and to do a second version, which as you know is not so easy unless you know a direct method, I'm going to show you what to do. Now in order to get a second version of WhatsApp, what you need to do is just go ahead and you're going to go to the App Store. So just go ahead. All you need is the App Store. And this time you're going to go into the search bar, which is the bottom section here. You're going to tap on search. Once you tap on search right here, what you're going to do next, and let me just bring this closer. All right. So now you're going to search, and what you're going to search for is this application, and it's called WA. You're going to type in business. All right, and if you can check out here, you notice it shows WhatsApp down here already installed. It says open, and of course it says up here get WhatsApp business. Now WhatsApp business, which is just a second version of WhatsApp, is still created by the team over at WhatsApp. So let me just give you some information on this. And as you can see here, it comes very highly rated. And basically it's just as shown here. It's a simple tool for businesses to talk to their customers. WhatsApp business from Facebook. So you see it's from Facebook. WhatsApp business enables you to have a business presence on WhatsApp, communicate more efficiently with your customers, and help you grow your business. And it's as if you have a separate business and personal phone number. You can have both WhatsApp business and WhatsApp Messenger installed on the same phone. And of course, I know you're saying right now, but I do not have a business. Now, it doesn't really matter. You can actually have the second version of WhatsApp installed. So just go ahead and hit get. Now, while this is being downloaded, I'm just going to hit install. And there you go. It's being installed. All you got to know is that it's a second version of WhatsApp. And seeing that it's a second version of WhatsApp, it will work just fine. All you got to do for this particular application is just activate it. So you'll need a second number and a phone that's active. And of course, that's just to activate it, because you'll have to actually verify the number. If you already have this phone, which is connected to the first version of WhatsApp, you'll need that second number to receive that text to activate. And of course, they might ask you to verify again later on. So you need to keep that phone. So just get a phone that you have that as that number doesn't use WhatsApp, and then just install and just use that as the secondary number for WhatsApp. So as you can see here now guys, I'm just going to hit open. And of course, it will need you to set up. So it's a welcome to WhatsApp Business, a simple, secure, and reliable way for business to connect with their customers. And of course, it says from Facebook down here. Let me just adjust this out from Facebook. And of course, you gotta agree and continue. And notice it says would like to send notifications and so on. Just hit allow. And of course, it's asking if I should use this particular number right here. I'll have to blur out sections of this guys. And of course it says your chat history and so on the backup. So it's asking you to use or use a different number. And of course, as I said, the first version already is set up with my normal number. I do not want to use that. So just use a different number. Now when you hit use a different number, it will ask you for that number. Here's where the secondary phone comes into play. So to simply make sure you have a secondary number. Let's pretend this phone has a second number. And of course, with this number, I'm not going to have WhatsApp installed on this device. So what I'm going to do, it has a second SIM card with a different carrier. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to enter the number of this phone, and I'm going to type that in. I'm going to receive the text over here. When I receive the text over this phone, what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter the text right over here on screen. Do that, it should activate. I'm going to keep this phone with this number in case I'm asked to verify this one over here again, I can receive a text over here and enter the verification number. And that's it from there. You'll have two versions of WhatsApp. You can always do that, but of course you'll always need a second number to activate it. And of course that number needs to be in an active phone so you can receive the text. And from here, I'm just going to quit, guys, as I do not want to activate this right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to end this out. And of course, as you saw, that's how to get two versions of WhatsApp on the same device. So we have over here WhatsApp Business, and back over here we have the regular WhatsApp. All right, guys, I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. It's quite easy to do. All right, so it's Ricardo Gada from Blog to Tips, saying bye until next time, guys. Bye.